What are you doing May 2nd through 4th? If you're a speaker, a Toastmaster, a presenter in the Colorado area, you must join us for the D26 Conference. Once a year, this will be unforgettable. Who am I? My name is Darren LaCroix, and in 1992, I bombed miserably at a comedy club in Boston. It was horrible. Fast forward to 2001, I outspoke 25,000 contestants to become the world champion of public speaking. It was so fun and quite a journey. But at this conference, you'll be able to tap into the experience that I had to shorten your learning curve. But not just me. Join Ed Tate, the 2000 world champion of public speaking, and Luisa Montalvo, the current reigning world champion. 3 world champions, 1 event. Look, you've got to be there. What am I going to talk about? All in. If you want to be the speaker, the leader that everyone loves to follow, what does it take? One decision changes everything. I promise when you walk away from this, you're not going to look at things the same way again, guaranteed. But join me for a special workshop on Friday afternoon, humor. You want to get more laughs in your next presentation? We're going to literally walk you through a joke. You're going to write a joke together and it will work because it's a proven process. You'll also get 6 secrets from my experience from stand-up comedy to the main stage at Toastmasters. Look, join us May 2nd through 4th in Colorado. This will be a game changer for you. Save your seat. Join us.